Namaste and welcome to your favorite channel, Chanda. I am your host, Surili Shamali, taking you on a journey into the rhythm of raindrops, the scent of wet earth, and the poetry of Indian monsoons. Not just as a season, but as a muse that has inspired generations of Indian writers and poets. The Indian monsoon is not just a meteorological event, it is an emotion and a season of waiting, longing, renewal, and celebration. And over centuries, it has poured into the pages of Indian literature, shaping stories, evoking moods, and symbolizing everything from romance to revolt. Every year around June, the monsoon sweeps in from the southwest, transforming the dry landscape into a lush green paradise. For farmers, it is a lifeline, and for poets, it is a metaphor. In classical Indian thought, nature and human emotions are deeply entwined. So, it's no surprise that rain becomes the canvas on which love, separation, and longing are painted. Let's begin with Kalidasa's Meghdut, the cloud messenger. Written over 1500 years ago, it tells the story of a yaksha, a celestial being exiled by his master, separated from his beloved, and he sends a message to her through a passing crowd. O cloud, carry my message over mountains and rivers to my love waiting in the city of Alaka. The monsoon cloud becomes more than a weather. It becomes hope, memory, desire. In Bhakti and Sufi poetry, rain becomes a symbol of spiritual union and surrender. Let's listen to Mirabai, the Rajput princess saint, as she sings to her beloved Krishna. सावन में उमग्यो मेरो मनवा भनक सुनी हरियावन के भनक सुनी हरियावन के बरसे बदरिया सावन के बरसे बदरिया सावन के. The rain here is not just monsoon, it is divine grace. It is the presence of beloved Hari after a long spiritual drought. In Bengali literature, monsoons appear in Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore's writings, from poems to songs to short stories and essays. And in our next episode, we are definitely going to listen to Tagore. In Punjabi and Urdu poetry, the rain often stands for unspoken, unrequited love. So let's hear an Urdu poem. मैं तो खड़ी थी आस लगाए मेहंदी कजरा मांग सजाए देख सूरतिया अपने पिया के हार गई मैं तन मन को ये रे सखे मोरे पिया घर आए ये रे सखे मोरे पिया घर आए जिसके पिया संग बीते सावन उस दुल्हन की रैन सुहागन जिस सावन में पिया घर नाही आ अब लगे उस सावन को, ये रे सखे मोरे पिया घर आए. So this was a beautiful Sufi number which speaks about the fact that if the beloved does not come during the rainy season, then well, let the rainy season be upon flames. In Marathi and Kannada folk traditions, songs about planting crops and the joy of harvesting are filled with monsoon melodies. In post-independence Indian literature, the monsoon reflects a lot of urban nostalgia. Writers like R.K. Narayan describe the arrival of rain in Malgudi as a moment of magic, a relief from the dusty heat. In Ruskin Bond's Himalayan tales, monsoons are gentle yet melancholic. And in Hindi stories by authors like Munshi Premchand, the rains represent not just romance but also realism. The joy of a good harvest or the tragedy of a failed one. Lyrics of Indian films have continued this literary tradition. Our rain songs aren't just entertainment, they are echoes of ancient poetry, of longing and fulfillment. Whether it is a dance in the rain or a monsoon train journey, the season continues to stir hearts. From Sanskrit shlokas to Hindi film lyrics, from ancient clouds to digital storms, the monsoon has soaked Indian literature in every era. And I'm sure you are already thinking of the numerous Hindi film songs like O Sajna Barkha Bahar Aaye, Ras ke Fuhar Laaye, अखियों में प्यार लाए, और रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन. So now, when lightning strikes across the dark clouds and you hear the pitter-patter of the rain or the loud claps of thunder, think of the stories they carry. Of lovers and letters, of gods and farmers, of poets and pilgrims, of a steaming cup of tea, onion pakoras, and of course your best friend, your book. I hope you liked today's episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Chandam for more such journeys into India's literary and cultural heritage. Let the monsoon rain and let the stories